Hi there. Today we're taking a look at some power equipment, and right here we've got the NEXPOW 1500 amp jump starter. It's basically a big battery bank that will work on anything that's 12-volt power supply. I can show you here on the side: vehicle, motorcycle, yacht, watercraft, anything that's got a 12-volt battery. This will go ahead and recharge. Very simple instructions on how to use it here on the outside. Plug it in, hook to the battery, start the vehicle, unplug it, and it literally is that simple. I can show you kind of what comes with it here. These are the cables that hook to it. This plugs into the power bank. It's got a nice little rubber weather cap over the top to keep those safe, and you can see brass connection points in there, which are real nice. These are all over molded plastic, so there's no actual contact that you can get into incidentally, except for in here where you can see it's got a nice copper contact point in here to make contact with battery studs and lugs and things like that. Heavy duty cables, and this connector here actually doubles. That lets you know when it's ready to be charged, or when it's ready to start the vehicle, I guess, is what I would say. Next, you've got the charging cable. This also doubles. You can charge with this, but you can also run a device with this. So you can plug it into USB, like a USB-C, so you can plug it into mobile devices or other battery banks or anything to charge with. That works that way. Literature, user manual, that kind of thing, instructions on how it works. Very simple and easy bag it comes in. And then here is our battery bank. You can see here at the end are all our connection points. There's a optional input. There's the input for the cable that comes with it, the USB outputs that the cable that comes with it plugs into to allow it to be a power bank. And then it has this nice little weather cap over top of the connection points for the vehicle jump starter. You can see if we plug this in, it will actually tell you right on the outside that it is ready to go. You hear an audible noise, and you see that blue light that tells you it's in standby mode. If this were hooked to a battery, this would turn green and you would have 30 seconds to start your vehicle. I can show you that by kind of forcing that. There's a button here on the side. It's a force start. If maybe you missed that, it takes you longer than 30 seconds or whatever to get to your vehicle to start it. Now they're green, should be ready to go. I could walk over and start my vehicle, and hopefully we'll recharge that battery as it runs. Another nice feature of this, aside from being a power bank, it does have a little flashlight here on the side, and you can see if you hit the power button here, it'll give you, it's got its little usage meter on the side that tells you how charged it is, 20 in increments of 25. If I were to hold that, it turns on the flashlight. If I push it again, it'll flash SOS. If I push it again, it's a strobe. Push it one more time, turns it off. We bought these when the kids started driving. I didn't want anybody to have to worry about cables and everything like that. And this thing, we've used it on lawn tractors, we've used it on boats, I've used it on neighbors' cars, our own vehicles. It works absolutely fantastic. Every time, plug it in, hook it in, the vehicle, whatever it is, starts right up. I hope that helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.